Missy here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my first update for Paranormal Pantivity. Hi everyone, it's Missy here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my first update for Paranormal Pantivity. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab created by Andrea, who is pretty as a peacock. All the information is listed down below. This started last month, September 24th, which is National Ghost Hunting Day, and it goes until next September. And I rolled in 5 products and I've only used like 2, so yay. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna be looking to the right, I'm gonna read you the prompt, share with you what has progress, and then I've actually been using some things already that I didn't roll and keeping track of that usage, so we'll do it that way too. I'm still going to try to keep it somewhat random with the products I bring in, but that's why I normally bring everything in at one time. That way, if I want to use something, I can go ahead and start using it and have usage, etc. Okay, so let's start with the ones that actually I rolled in. And the first one was Kelpie, a product used in the shower or bath. I didn't even start it. Completely forgot about it actually. Plus I'm working on one from 50 Shades of Green, but I need to work on this one because this one is pumpkin apple butter. It smells so good. And I am in that. It's finally fall here, although tomorrow it's supposed to be in the 80s, but we've had a couple of days where we've been in the 70s. So it's been very nice. So I am definitely in the mood for something fall for sure. So my goal is to finish that. Hopefully by the next update, I will have that finished. Next was Ghost, a product with unfinished business, aka something you previously panned but did not hear a go on. This was a nod to Emily from Emily and Max. And I brought in this, my dry bar hot toddy. I don't remember weighing this, but today was the first day I've used it. I was like, oh, I should be putting some heat protectant spray on since I'm straightening my hair. And that's why I remembered to do it. So yeah. But my goal is to finish this. I will weigh it and we'll keep track of it that way. Missy, leave that out so you remember to weigh it. Next is Orbs, a product that brings light to your face. I brought in this. This is the I Heart Revolution finishing powder. My goal is to finish this. I've used it 4 times and I don't think I can make a new mark. But yeah, I mean, I don't know that I could with 4 uses. Although it looks like I could. Nah, it's right on the line. It's right on the line. So goal is to finish. This is actually on my face today as a finishing powder. Don't look at my base. My base looks like crap. Story of my life. Story of my life. That's what happens when you use products that don't really play well together, but you're trying to get them panned and out of the way. So you do it anyway. Next, a Flying Dutchman, a product that you feel like you've been painting forever. So I brought in my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So when I brought it in, it was actually in its cute little container. I have since depotted it, and I will throw up a picture of what it looked like right after I depotted it, and I'll throw up a picture of what it looks like now. Can you see Mickey Mouse? I have a Mickey Mouse pen. It's so cute. Anyway, as of the last update, or as of the intro, I'd used that 92 times, and I've used it 6 more times since then for a total of 98. I mentioned it, I don't know which video will go up first, Pan That Palette, Zodiac, I don't remember, but I mentioned in that one, I've literally only worn makeup 12 times in the last 2 months, 6 times since the end of September. So not a whole lot of use, but definitely something that I'm getting use out of, and the goal for that one is also to finish. Next, Haunting, Haunting, a dupe product that haunts you, or pan a product you regret buying. I brought in this. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I mentioned that I hate this concealer and I'm really sad that I bought it. But I was able to make a new mark. If I can wear makeup more often in the next month, I think I'll have this finished. There's not a whole lot left. In fact, I could probably take the stopper out and scrape it down and I would probably be at a completely different line because this comes out pretty dry. But my goal is to finish this, and my hope is that this will be on by next update. We'll wait and see. And then last but not least is one I also didn't start. This is Reincarnation, a product that you've bought in the past that has updated packaging. That is a lip gloss from ColourPop, and I didn't start it yet because I haven't finished this lip gloss, this lip gloss from ColourPop either. So yeah. Okay, so out of, what is that, 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, I have actually made some good progress on 3. So the couple other things that have some uses, the Park Avenue Princess Bronzer, I put that, in the same palette with the Too Faced one, and I've just been mixing them together. So that has 3 uses. The shade Misty that I'm working on in my Moonspell palette, I've used that 1 time. Did I say I used the Milani Concealer 3 times? No, I didn't. And of course it had a ton of use when it came in. And the only other thing I've used that I didn't roll in was the KVD Lip Vinyl in Carnation. So I'm going to go ahead and roll in 2 more. So there are 31 prompts. And Andrea's basically left this pretty open-ended. You can update every other month. I considered updating next month, but at the same time, I was like, next month is a short month. You know, we're getting close to the end of the year for other projects. So I want to make sure that I'm being smart about what I'm working on. So 2 through 32, and then I will remove what I've already worked on. And again, I'm just going to do 2. Okay. Here we go. Oh, Prevent Rerose, Clear History. Here we go. 122 is Afterlife, a product past its expiration. This is actually a great time to pull that in. Okay. And then 28, I'm already working on. 6. Vanishing Hitchhiker, a product that disappears quickly. And that's the Clinique Liquid Makeup Remover. Okay, let me grab those real quick. They're just right here in my basket, so I don't have to go very far. I don't have to go very far. So, for a product that disappears quickly, Vanishing Hitchhiker, a product that disappears quickly. I have 1 last sample of the Clinique Liquid Remover. Clinique, oh my god, take the day off liquid makeup remover. Wait. Anyway, my goal is going to be to finish this. And then the other one was Afterlife, a product that is past its expiration date. I brought in this. This is a Hydrate and Fix by Makeup Revolution. I finished another one that wasn't in a project, but I'm currently working on this one. So I'll be working on the 2 of these in tandem. So for the next update, this should be done. Like, this should be done for sure. I don't know if anything else. Oh, the concealer. I'm going to do my best to have at least these 2 done and then have progress in everything else. And we'll just keep bringing in 1 or 2 a month depending on how much progress I make. So here's hoping that I can wear makeup more often over the next couple of months. Again, this project is a year long, and we've really just started, so I don't have to really feel like I need to rush and get any of these products done. But I think it's hard especially when you're doing as many projects as I am, to feel like you're making any kind of like momentum and keep the updates fresh for you guys, you know what I mean? So anywho, Daisy. Anything else? No, that's it. Make sure you check out everybody else who's doing this project. Feel free to jump on, because we literally just started last month. I have a project starting next month called At the Hop. It's all about 50s and 60s pop culture, music, etc. And that is a Fantastic Ladies collab that you will find linked in the description box down below. What else is coming? That's Expensive is coming back in the end of December. Color Pan is coming back in January. I think that's it. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Be sure you're following me over on Instagram. I'm at Misty Pans. Other than that, I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Do it like that when you're closer. Give me the shivers, baby.